Success is a series of small wins. Hello friends, Namaskar. My name is Suresh Srimali. Welcome to our channel Astro and Numero with Srimali. This is a special episode of numerology based on yearly prediction for birth number 8. Very independent. May 2021 brings luck, wealth, good fortune and prosperity. For number 8, my success guru mantra for 2021 is the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In 2021, will you get fame or failure? What ups and downs can happen in your business? Will they get a desired result of their work? How will their family life, love life, and relationship be? Is traveling safe for you in 2021? You will get all the answers in this video. Let me tell you who comes under birth number 8. If you are born on 8th, 17th, and 26th of any year, any month, then your number is 8. What is the significance of birth number 8 according to numerology? Number 8 is ruled by planet Saturn, which indicates someone who is independent, determined, and responsible. This number brings skill with finances and business, along with hard work and dedication. It is the number for power, wealth, and management. Now let's move to the yearly forecast of 2021 for birth number 8. Let's start with business and wealth. This year is mixed for all the business persons. You may face some kind of problems between 15th of January to 1st of March. But from 2nd March, your business will come back on track. If you are thinking of expanding or starting a new business like a startup, then do it after 4th of April. Consider taking any loan after 7th of July. Taking suggestions from a senior member is advisable before starting any new venture. Let's talk about job and profession. In 2021, government employees may get a promotion because of their hard work. People working in private sector may get recognition for their excellent work and skills. Change of behavior is advisable for avoiding any problem at the workplace. Adjusting according to your workplace may help you in better understanding of the work. Now let's talk about family life, love life, and relationship. Unmarried people may get marriage proposals in 2021. Those who are in relationship may get married between 4th of February to 8th of March. Your little ignorance towards your partner may ruin your relationship with your spouse. Use word carefully. You are advised to speak carefully to avoid any tension. To improve your relationship with your family or spouse, change in the behavior is advisable. Let's talk about health and travel. You may face some stomach related problems, intestine problem. So you are advised to keep an eye on your eating habits. Include green vegetable and juices in your daily diet. You may go on a business trip between 17th of April to 28th of July. Short distance religious trip may be planned. So pay attention on your driving. There is a possibility of little bit injury. Let's talk about education. You may do better in your exams in 2021. The results will be according to your hard work. 2021 is good for a student pursuing technical studies. They may get a job also. You may get positive results in your competitive exams like government jobs. A student of business education may get a chance to pursue management studies in abroad. I would like to suggest now remedies in 2021 even more successful. Donate black or dark color clothes on Saturday. Wear sapphire on Neelam in a ring middle finger. Keep fast on Saturday to avoid health issues. However, this was just a generalized forecast. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic and video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on given number or drop your queries in the comment box. At the end of this video, I wish that 2021 may be fruitful for pupil with bond number 8 will be independent. Best of luck for 2021. Happy New Year. Take care. Namaskar. Bye bye.